Hello, welcome back to ZWeave. This is your ZWeave teacher Zuzu. Today we will learn what are select tool and 2D viewing toolbar. Before to start, this tutorial is for real basic starter. So even you took all of this, you may forget everything when you make actual project. But I will review all together, so no need to be worried about this. So let's see ZWeave together. I prepared this file for today. You can download this from the link below the video. Okay, open the file. Then you see the female shirt pattern. At the bottom of the 2D view, these are 2D select tool. The first one is all select tool, which you will use, move or change the property of surface and curve and points. Plus pin and tag function, but those are for later. Second one is surface select tool. You could select only surfaces and can move and change the property. As you know, when you make your clothes, you need to mirror one side of pattern. So right-click this front pattern and mirror this. If you edit one side of them, then the other mirrored one is followed your change this setting. So after done editing, whenever you want, you can break it. Next, let's see 3D view. I don't want to simulate of this pattern. Then you can remove them in 3D view by joining simulation. Also in Property tab, there is a checkbox, but I prefer to use right click, so don't join. And then you can locate this pattern in front or back of the avatar based on 2D coordinates. So I want to put this pattern on here or back. Next, check this curve select tool. In the same way, you could select only curves and move and change the length as well. Let's right click any curve. There is divide function. I will divide the curve as 5 cm. And with Alt plus D key, divide again. Let's offset to inner line. Right-click outline or inner line. This is for adjusting distance of inner line. Also, you can make 2, 3, 4 or more inner line in the same distance. Maybe I put a line 5 cm inside. And when you check extend, then line will be reached to the outer line. But if you forgot this extendance, you can do after make inner line with extend curve. So this is the last one of curve. In case you want to make the curve as straight, right click. See, this blue light means straight. Check this curve. If you turn on the light, it changed as straight line. And one more thing for only inner line, you could turn off active. Then you couldn't select this by curve select tool anymore. So how can I select this line? From this deactivated select tool. Also, you can deactivate the pattern tool and could activate again. So that was a long story about the curve. Now let's see the point select tool. You could grab a point and pin and tag. Check this right click also. It's simple. Click smooth. Then you add smooth angle of those lines. And also you can edit and select by this button. Let me see this sewing in 3D view together. Click this sewing, then the sewing line color is turned as blue. So it is handy to check which sewing line I selected. So now it's editing. You could change the sewing line length easily like this way. Or could reverse the line when you need. Actually, I use reverse tool quite often because of my mistakes. Almost done. About this stitch logo button select tool, we will do it later in clothing making process. Now you see the right top of 2D view. These are 2D viewing toolbar. You can turn on or off this viewing. So first one is for colorway, and second one is grid viewing. Third one is point, and sewing line, fabric material, and measurement. Until now, this file is so simple and doesn't have much information as it can make you confused. But while you use ZWeave, there comes a moment when you don't get confused by using this toolbar. So use this tool in right time, then your process would be more clear. So you took a long tutorial today. It will be hard to memorize it all at once. You have to follow along and get used to the tools. Thank you for today and keep watching next tutorial. Bye!